Hello friends, welcome to your very own channel, CBH Ideas. Today's video is really special because we have brought you the top 10 global scarf hacks that will make you look stylish for every occasion. These ideas are not only easy, but will also keep you updated with the latest global fashion trends. So, if you want to add a little extra style to your daily outfits, make sure to watch this video. And yes, if you like our video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments which style is your favorite. Thanks you so much.